All right. So seems like we are live now. Let me quickly confirm the sound. The mic is working fine. Apparently it is. Just one more moment. All right. Okay, yeah, definitely. Definitely everything is working fine. So let's start. My name is Hightech, and on this live stream I talk about what has just happened in the crypto market, regarding 11 years of my experience. We look at it through my lenses, and I tell you, what I think about it. What's my take? Somewhere in between the lines, I explain you what high-tech meme coin is, the only project I promote here, and why you might be interested. So, yeah, Jesus is king, and let's go. Let's switch the screens. If you guys have any questions, of course, ask me. Don't hesitate. Ask me in the live chat. As soon as I notice, I will give you my take on whatever you're throwing at me. So yeah, so as you see, after yesterday, we are recovering slightly. The crypto market is not looking the best, but at least we finally have a little bit more of, and Bitcoin dominance getting better, to be honest. At least it's not, skyrocketing from here. It's having a little bit of a struggle. Together with yesterday's daily and today's daily, we still have not engulfed the daily candle from 29th. So that's somewhat, okay. Of course, we still have plenty of time left to actually print here a red daily, and my hopes are high for it. Even though yesterday, so Thursday, we closed in red. So that means today is supposed to be somewhat sideways slash red as well. Why? Because recent weeks, recent months, whenever Thursday is bad, then the rest of the week is also bad. But SPY, as you see, pre-market price is higher than yesterday's close, so maybe who knows? Maybe we finally correlate with S&P 500 because SPY reflects S&P 500, and maybe it's not going to be that bad. Of course, I hope that will be the case. One thing about statistics that you should probably know is that the longer something happens, the more likely it is it will stop. It will stop happening, right? There will be some sort of a pause, and that, let's say, record of Thursdays, red Thursdays, what was following shortly after is kind of uncanny. Like, I don't know, for the last few months even. So that is why, maybe we will finally get an exception from that rule. That would be nice. It's 31st of October, so last day of October. Tomorrow we are starting November. Supposedly the most bullish month in the crypto market. So it should translate to something. Share, like, and subscribe, guys, if you, by whatever accident, are watching this live stream live. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the most important. So yeah, that one, the fact that pre-market on SPY is so much higher than yesterday's close, it gives me a little bit of hope. Maybe this time is going to be different. That will be a nice change. The daily so far is green on Bitcoin chart, as you see. Not a huge countering reaction against what we've seen on Thursday, but nonetheless, still better to see a green daily than a red one. But like I said, probably it's going to be boring for the rest of the weekend. Saturday, Sunday. I rather get positively surprised than negatively disappointed. So hopefully, in the worst case scenario, we'll just go sideways and that's it. The one thing, as I already said you yesterday, or actually several hours ago, the one thing I completely did not see happening is a huge correction from here. That is in my mind something highly improbable. I don't really see that coming to us, at least not anytime soon. We will probably have to go much higher than this. I watched Steve from Crypto Crew University, and according to his models, I mean, he's not, let's say, anyone I would be basing myself on when it comes to, let's say, taking whatever kind of decision in the crypto market, because as you guys probably already know, especially those that watch me from time to time, I have my own trading systems for it, and I do not trade manually. I don't do anything manually. I just wrote my trading strategy, my own trading algorithm, and it all trades for me. But from time to time, out of pure curiosity, I will give it a chance and check who is saying what. And yeah, and Steve from Crypto Crew University, well, he shares my opinion apparently. So he doesn't see this market really going down now. I mean, he gives it a very small chance of probability. So same as me, same as me. Nice to see, because he's one of those, let's say, reasonable guys in let's say crypto YouTube influencing scene. So that's cool. And yeah, but at the end of the day, we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. But external factors are definitely standing in opposition to anybody who wants to see this market collapsing here. That could be a little bit too much to ask. So yeah, so far I see the visibility of the live stream is not the best because I've got only 2 views. That's very little. Maybe it will get better later on, hopefully. So yeah, from what I've seen on weekly time frame, liquidation heat map demonstrates us that there is much more liquidity sitting above the price. Because here on 24 hours, as you see, we have a concentration of liquidity beneath, but when we switch over to the weekly, we'll see this proportion is quite vast. What is above the price against what is below the